Here is how to hide your active status on Instagram for one specific person. For that, in Instagram, we don't have a special option that you can hide for one specific person your activity status. So you can either toggle on it or you can toggle off it. So to make sure you hide your active status for one person, we have another option. So go to the chat or go to their account, or otherwise go to the chat simply, and you can have three options over there. If you click on options, go for the restrict. If you click on restrict of their account, then they can't see whether you're online or not. They can't even tell you that you have seen their message or not, but you can see their messages. I'll show you that. Restrict. See, they won't be able to tag or mention you, or even they can't message you. See, it is unrestricted. So here you have request. Okay, you have restricted account. So here, if you tap on that, if they have sent any of the message, you can see here, you can delete that, or otherwise you can block them. And if you click on unrestrict, then the account will be restricted. This is a way you can hide active status from one specific person. Thank you.